This is a video on how to change the battery on a Polaris Sportsman. So it's under here. So there's two things you can do. You can just undo this, and then you can, usually there's a bungee right here, or like a normal one that comes with four-wheeler. This one got lost, so it's actually just a bungee cord. So you just twist this thing down, or if you can't quite get to it, you can take the seat off as well and undo this. Anyway, so you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, and you twist this down just enough, and then you can take and you can start untwisting this. Get it at a good angle. There we go. So you just untwist this. This is your positive. What I usually do when I'm doing this, there's a little thing underneath that this bolt goes into that I take, and once I pull the wire off, I just take and put it back on there so that I don't lose the little teeny bolt somewhere. That's not too hard. So you're gonna do that side, and you're gonna undo your negative as well. Pretty easy. Once this one's undone, I do the same thing. I take this out and just put it right back in and screw it in. And you can take and just pull your battery out. And then you're gonna do the same thing with your other one. So you're gonna take and you're just gonna put this battery in. What I like to do is those little brackets I was just telling you about. I like to put everything in beforehand so I don't lose it as I'm putting it in. So I'll take and I'll slide this little piece in right there. Oh, just like that. I just dropped it. Let me grab it real fast. So put it in there. I said you don't have to do this, but that's the way I like to do it. And then what you're going to take and do is you're going to take and you're going to just screw this down in there. That way, like I said, that way you don't lose it while you're trying to put it in there, because you're going to get a little bit weird angles. So take and put it on both sides. Pretty simple. And so once you've done that, you want to make sure you have the plus side on the same side when you put it in the negative side. So you're going to take, you're just going to slip it right in there. Then you're going to pull this one out. You're going to put your negative back on. And then you just take and you screw this back in there. You can do it finger tight and then use your screwdriver to get it. So there's that one. And on this side, undo your positive. And you're going to put it on there. It's a little bit of weird angle. I might have to put my camera down for a second. I'll see if I can just get it. So then that's how you do it. And then you just take and tighten it right up with your screwdriver. Once it's in, you should be good to go.